Lesson 1. Greetings and Introductions. What is your name?
My name is Anna. I am happy to meet you.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old. I am in grade 5.
Where are you from?
I am from India. It is a big and beautiful country.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. I feel happy today.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. It looks calm and pretty.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Mimi.
What is your hobby?
I like drawing pictures. I draw animals and people.
What do you do every day?
I go to school in the morning. I do my homework in the evening.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza. It is very tasty and cheesy.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak a little English. I am still learning.
Lesson 2. School and Study. Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school every day. I like my school very much.
What is your school's name?
My school is called Green Valley School. It is a big and clean school.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English. It is fun to learn new words.
Who is your best friend at school?
My best friend is Sarah. She is kind and smart.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7:30 in the morning. I wake up early every day.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Mr. Paul. He teaches very well.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like math. Numbers are fun to learn.
Do you take your lunch to school?
Yes, I take my lunch every day. My mom packs it for me.
What do you do during break time?
I play with my friends. We run and talk together.
What do you use to write?
I use a pencil and a pen. I also use my notebook.
Lesson 3. Family and Home. How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. I live with my parents, brother, and sister.
Who is your mother?
My mother is a kind woman. She cooks and takes care of us.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher. He works at a local school.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. We play together every day.
What do you do at home?
I read books and watch TV. I also help my mom.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town. It is quiet and nice.
What is your house like?
My house is big and clean. It has 3 bedrooms.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, I have my own room. It has a bed, a table, and toys.
What do you do with your family?
We eat dinner together every night. We also go for walks on weekends.
What chores do you do at home?
I clean my room and wash dishes. I like helping my parents.
Do you like your family?
Yes, I love my family very much. They are always kind to me.
What do you eat with your family?
We eat rice, vegetables, and meat. Sometimes we have fruit too.
Do you watch TV with your family?
Yes, we watch cartoons and movies together. It is fun time.
What is your favorite thing at home?
My favorite thing is my teddy bear. I sleep with it every night.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, we have a small garden. There are flowers and green plants.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have a grandmother and grandfather. They tell me stories.
What do you call your mother?
I call her Mom. She is very caring.
Who cooks at home?
My mom cooks most of the time. Sometimes my dad helps her.
What do you do on weekends?
I rest and play with my friends. Sometimes we visit my uncle's house.
Where do you eat at home?
We eat at the dining table. We all sit together and talk.
Lesson 4. Daily routines and time. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth after waking up.
What do you do in the morning?
I take a bath and eat breakfast. Then I get ready for school.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning. It gives me energy.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock at night. I try to sleep early.
What do you do after school?
I eat a snack and do my homework. Then I play for some time.
What time is it now?
It is 3 o'clock. I just came home from school.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
Sometimes I take a short nap. It helps me feel fresh.
What do you do in the evening?
I read a book or watch TV. Sometimes I draw pictures.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth and change into pajamas. I also say good night to my family.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use an alarm to wake up. It rings loudly in the morning.
What do you wear to school?
I wear a school uniform. It is blue and white.
What do you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I stay at home. I play and relax with my family.
What day is today?
Today is Friday. We have music class today.
What is your favorite day?
My favorite day is Saturday. I don't have school that day.
What do you do on holidays?
I visit my grandparents. Sometimes we go to the park.
Do you read books every day?
Yes, I read a little every day. I like reading stories.
Do you write in a notebook?
Yes, I write my lessons in a notebook. I keep it clean.
Do you play outside?
Yes, I play in the yard or at the park. I run and have fun with friends.
What games do you play?
I play football and tag. Sometimes I ride my bicycle.
Do you help your parents in the morning?
Yes, I help set the table. I also pack my school bag.
Lesson 5. Food, drinks, and health. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I drink milk too.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. It is sweet and juicy.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice. It is cold and tasty.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day. They help me stay healthy.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken for lunch. I also eat some salad.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat bread and soup. My mom makes warm food at night.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I love sweets. Chocolate is my favorite.
What food don't you like?
I don't like spicy food. It is too hot for me.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink water many times a day. It keeps me strong.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream. I like chocolate flavor the most.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry. I want to eat something now.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I want a glass of water. My mouth is dry.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes I eat fast food. I like burgers and fries.
Is eating fruit good for you?
Yes, fruit is healthy. It gives us vitamins and energy.
What do you eat when you are sick?
I eat soup and drink tea. I also take medicine.
What do you do when you feel sick?
I tell my parents. They take me to the doctor.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I run and jump every day. I play with my friends outside.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, I go when I feel unwell. The doctor helps me feel better.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat good food and sleep early. I also wash my hands often.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I brush my teeth twice a day. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush.
Lesson 6. Weather, clothes, and fun. What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today. The sky is blue and clear.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days. I wear my raincoat and play inside.
What do you wear when it is cold?
I wear a jacket and a hat. I also wear warm socks.
What do you wear when it is hot?
I wear a t-shirt and shorts. I drink water to stay cool.
What season do you like best?
I like spring the best. Flowers bloom and the weather is nice.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I like snow. I make snowmen and throw snowballs.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a robot. It can move and talk.
What games do you play at home?
I play board games with my family. We laugh and have fun.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I like to sing and dance.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim a little. I go to the pool with my dad.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I love the park. I play on the swings and slides.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride my bike in the yard. I wear my helmet for safety.
What do you wear to a party?
I wear a nice dress and shoes. I also wear a big smile.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I have cake and balloons. My friends give me gifts.
What do you do on your birthday?
I play games and eat with my friends. I feel very happy.
Do you like watching cartoons?
Yes, I watch cartoons every weekend. My favorite is Tom and Jerry.
What do you do in your free time?
I draw pictures or play with toys. Sometimes I listen to music.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to see new places. I take photos with my family.
Have you been to the zoo?
Yes, I saw lions and monkeys. It was very exciting.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning new words. English helps me talk to more people.